on the scene today with the Attic Queen, and we are going through a machine that she purchased used, the CM1500. She is right in there helping us as we are going through the maintenance on this machine. It's very advantageous for her because she's not going to have to wait on us. She's going to know how to fix this herself. When we come out, make sure that you have at least one of your employees who is learning this and doing it with us. It's going to keep you up and running, and you are going to know how to fix your own machine.
We're wrapping up the day. Attic Queen here, Oldsmar, with the myth, the man, the legend himself, Barry. You said I'm good for 6 months, so I don't got to do anything else, right?
One other thing.
What?
You got to send me a video of you doing the same thing someday.
All right. I feel confident enough to know, like, he showed me really how easy it is to maintain my own machine.
Let us put you on cool time with a cool machine and keep you up and running.